If you're looking for an easier, faster, and more enjoyable way to commute or explore, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best electric bikes you can buy right now, focusing on performance, range, comfort, and overall value so you can find the right one for your riding style. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Electric bike for adults, 26-inch e-bike with 1000W peak motor, 20 miles per hour 50 miles electric mountain bike with 48V removable battery, 7-speed, front suspension, LCD display, UL 2849 certified. If you're looking for an affordable electric bike that delivers strong power, decent range, and the flexibility to handle both city streets and light trails, this 26-inch electric mountain bike is the type of model that has become extremely popular across the United States. It's best known for offering a balance between everyday commuting performance and recreational riding without requiring the budget of a premium e-bike brand. In the US market, many buyers are turning to e-bikes as alternatives to short car trips, expensive gas costs, crowded parking lots, and traditional bicycles that require more physical effort. This bike targets riders who want electric assistance but still want the option to pedal when desired. The headline feature is the 1000W peak motor. For American riders, especially those dealing with hills, suburban neighborhoods, bike paths, and mixed terrain, additional motor power can make a noticeable difference. Acceleration feels stronger than many entry-level e-bikes, and the bike is generally better equipped to handle inclines and heavier riders. The advertised range of up to 50 miles is another attractive feature. In real-world American use, range will vary based on rider weight, terrain, wind conditions, pedal assistance level, and riding style. However, even if you don't reach maximum advertised numbers, the bike is capable of handling most daily commuting and recreational riding needs without frequent charging. Number 2. Varun electric bike, 500W peak motor, 24/26-inch all-terrain e-bike, up to 40 miles and 20 miles per hour, removable battery, 7-speed, front suspension, dual disc brakes, with free accessory pack UL 2849 certified. The Varun electric bike is best known in the US market as a practical entry-level e-bike that focuses on affordability, ease of use, and everyday transportation. Rather than chasing extreme performance numbers, this bike is designed for riders who want reliable electric assistance for commuting, errands, fitness, and casual recreation. For many American buyers, especially first-time e-bike shoppers, simplicity and value are often more important than maximum power. The Varun model fits squarely into that category. The 500W peak motor provides enough assistance for most common riding situations. Whether you're commuting to work, riding through neighborhoods, exploring local bike paths, or running errands around town, the motor offers meaningful support without feeling overly aggressive. One of the strongest selling points is accessibility. Riders who may feel intimidated by high-powered e-bikes often find moderate power models easier to manage. The riding experience tends to feel more natural while still delivering the benefits of electric assistance. The claimed range of up to 40 miles works well for many real-world American use cases. Most daily commutes in the United States are significantly shorter than that, meaning many riders can go several trips between charges depending on how much pedal assistance they use. The removable battery remains one of the most practical features. Whether you live in an apartment, condominium, townhome, or traditional house, being able to remove the battery simplifies charging and storage. Number 3. Electric bike for adults, 1500W divided by 1000W divided by 750W peak motor, up to 80/75/55 miles, 20 miles per hour e-bike, 26-foot tires lightweight e-bike for commuting mountain road sand. If you're shopping for an electric bike that prioritizes power, long-range capability, and versatility across multiple riding environments, this electric bike is best known in the US market for delivering big performance numbers at a price point that typically attracts value-focused buyers. The combination of multiple motor options, large range claims, and all-terrain capability makes it particularly appealing to riders who want one bike that can do a little bit of everything. In the United States, e-bikes have evolved beyond simple commuting tools. Many riders now use them for weekend adventures, campground transportation, beach riding, trail exploration, fitness rides, and even replacing short car trips. This bike is clearly targeting that broader audience. The biggest selling point is motor power. Depending on the version selected, buyers can choose between 750W, 1000W, or 1500W peak output configurations. For American riders living in hilly areas, carrying extra weight, or wanting stronger acceleration, additional motor power can significantly improve the riding experience. The advertised range of up to 80 miles immediately grabs attention. While real-world results depend heavily on rider weight, terrain, weather, tire pressure, and pedal assist settings, the large claimed range suggests that longer rides are a primary focus of this design. One of the most attractive aspects is versatility. The bike is marketed for commuting, mountain roads, and sand riding. For Americans who enjoy exploring parks, campgrounds, beach communities, gravel roads, and recreational trails, having a bike capable of handling multiple surfaces can be extremely valuable. Number 4. Clife Electric Bike for Adults/Teens Racer, 20 plus mph 21 speed peak 1200W brushless motor adult electric bicycles, 48V 10.4 a removable battery mountain e-bike, up to 55 miles, 27.5 by 2.1 tire e-bike. The Clife electric bike is best known in the US market for combining traditional mountain bike styling with a more performance-oriented riding experience. Unlike many entry-level e-bikes that focus on simplicity, this model emphasizes speed, gear flexibility, and a sportier feel that appeals to riders who still enjoy active pedaling. For many American buyers, one of the most appealing features is the 21-speed drivetrain. While electric assistance handles much of the workload, having a wide range of gears allows riders to customize their pedaling effort based on terrain and riding preferences. The 1200W peak brushless motor is another major highlight. Riders living in suburban neighborhoods, rolling hills, or mixed terrain areas often appreciate the extra assistance when climbing inclines or accelerating from a stop. The top speed of over 20 miles per hour aligns well with what many American e-bike riders are seeking. It offers enough speed to make commuting efficient while remaining manageable for newer riders. One area where this bike stands out is rider engagement. Some electric bikes feel more like small electric scooters with pedals attached. The Clife's combination of gears and mountain bike-inspired design creates a riding experience that still feels connected to traditional cycling. Number 5. Hoverfly Electric Bike for Adults, 26/16 models, 750W/500W peak motor, up to 20/15.5 mph, 48V/36V removable battery, up to 40/28 miles range, UL 2849 certified, electric bike for commute leisure trail. The Hoverfly electric bike is best known in the United States as a practical, beginner-friendly electric bike focused on affordability, convenience, and everyday transportation. Rather than targeting extreme performance enthusiasts, it aims to serve commuters, casual riders, and recreational users looking for dependable electric assistance. One of the most attractive aspects of the Hoverfly lineup is the availability of multiple configurations. Buyers can choose between different frame sizes, motor outputs, and performance levels based on their specific needs. For many American consumers entering the e-bike market for the first time, that flexibility can be appealing. Not everyone needs a high-powered motor or aggressive off-road capability. Many simply want a reliable way to commute, enjoy local bike paths, or reduce car usage for short trips. The 750W peak motor option offers solid assistance for daily riding. Whether you're navigating suburban streets, riding through parks, or commuting to work, it provides enough power to make cycling less physically demanding. So those are 5 of the best electric bikes available right now. If one of these looks like the right fit, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still not sure which one to choose, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.